Okay, hello and welcome back to PicoCTF. So today we'll be solving the corrupted file section from the forensic section. So we'll be going to read the description and understand. So we have previously solved other challenges as well. If you have watched my previous videos, if not, you can go to the playlist and check for the PicoCTF challenges. So we have solved the easy ones, and today also the one that I'll be solving is an easy one, and later we'll be solving other challenges as well. So without wasting much time, let's open this. So let's read the description. The file seems broken, or is it? Maybe a couple of bytes could make all the difference. Can you figure out how to bring it back to life? Okay, so let's click here and this will download the file. Okay, so it will download that corrupted file. So as you can see, I've already downloaded the file here. It has been downloaded, and what I've done is that I've stored it in the corrupted file directory in the PicoCTF directory. So you can also do the same thing. I have saved the created a directory as per the challenge name, so you can do the same thing. Okay, so this is the file that I have marked. Okay, now what we'll do is we'll check the file type. So just type file command and type file. So as you can see, it just shows data, right? So it doesn't mean anything. So what I'll do cat file. Let's check the content of the file. Okay, so this is some weird kind of gibberish data, and we are not able to see anything here, right? uh so let's scroll up. Okay, so if you see your ABCDF, nothing much here. So if you see, there is written something as JFIF. That means it was a probably a JPEG file, but the data is corrupted because the format doesn't look similar, right? And we are not able to read it properly what it means. So we have to understand. So what I'll do is that what the question is, if you read it, the file seems broken, or is it, right? Maybe a couple of bytes could make all the difference. So that is what I mentioned, that just because some kind of data is being changed or modified, that's why the file is broken. So what I was saying is that what we will do, we'll just copy all this data. Okay, and then we will open our favorite website, the cyberchef. Go here and copy the text here. Okay, we can't see anything here in the output, so we'll use the magic tool that we always use. Okay, so here also we can't see much. So what we'll do search for hex. So from hex, okay, no, it would be 2 hex, right? We have to check the hexadecimal value. So as you can see here, it starts with 5C78EFBFBD. Okay, but if you have an understanding of the values that the image start with, the hexadecimal values, it is not this values, it is some other values, right? It starts with a certain kind of format, and it is same for all the image files. Okay, so let me just show you with an example. I'll just search with the hexadecimal header that the JPEG file usually has. So as you can see, it usually starts with FFD8FF. So this is the kind of the format that all the image files follow, but here it's different, right? It's not the same. That means that this value is being modified, or this bytes value has been changed. So this is where our task is, that we need to make it proper. But what I'll do is that just for the sake of normally checking it, what we usually do is that we will change this file name to another name, okay, with the .jpg extension. So I'll do mv file and .jpeg. Okay, hit enter and let's check the file. It's in the CTF, PicoCTF, corrupted file directory. And if you open it, still you can see the error interpreting JPEG file. There is an error. So this pretty much didn't work, as I mentioned, the bytecodes are itself changed. So I'll just remove this file. So I'll type rm file.jpg and this file is being removed. And okay, so it was modified, right, overwritten. So what we will do is that I'll again download this file here, hit here and go to the terminal and just pressing the up arrow. Okay, so this will move the file from downloads to here and we'll have the file back here. Okay, so as you can see, the file is here. Now what we will do, just try to understand this thing. So I'll just show you Wikipedia. Okay, it's not there, Wikipedia, and just open this. Oh no, not this one. So it would be file interchange format, so you can get a better understanding of the format. So just read this thing so you can see here what does this mean, the format, the structure. You can just have a look here and just try to understand, because in forensics, if you would be working in forensics, you'll have to deal with a lot of such kind of data with the images frequently. So it's good if you understand the format that it follows, the similarity that it has. So you can just go and read this article for the file interchange format, so you will get a better understanding of it. Okay, so moving back to the text editor, I'll copy the entire text format that it usually follows. I'll just zoom it in so you'll get a better understanding. Give me a minute. Okay, I hope this is visible now. So if you could read, it gives you the particular format that is expected for an image to start. Now what we will do is that we will insert this value in our corrupted file, as it is missing from our file or it is in different format. So what we will do is the simple thing. I'll just give me a minute. We will just zoom this in. Also, also you will be adding it in a particular way. So what you can do is that you can follow along with me. Okay, so we will type in the command and just zoom it in. So what we will do now is that we will type print f and we have to paste that hexadecimal value. So here I'm adding a escape character. You just follow along with me, and similarly we have to put the forward slash x d8, again forward slash x and ff. So similarly you just have to put the entire string here. Okay, so what I'll do now is that I'll just copy it out here and I'll paste it here and just manually add forward slash x in all these spaces. I'll just remove the space. If you're doing it with me, just follow along with me, because see, this kind of thing is quite useful to you when you'll be working in forensics. There will be a lot of time where you will have to modify the hexadecimal values of a particular file, and maybe you have to create a tampered image file or a tampered software. So at that time this thing is very useful for you, right? So just get used to it. So now we will close the bracket. Okay, so as you can see, the entire text is here. Will be put the pipe symbol, cat hyphen, and then we will put the file name. So my bad, we will put file. Okay, and the output file that we will be creating by adding the file. So I'll just name it as output.jpg. Okay, hit enter. ls, so you can see the file is been created. Let's see if it is visible. Okay, okay, no, it's still showing error. Why? Oh, let me check the command. Okay, it says it's properly. Let me try to just modify this double inverted commas to a single inverted comma. Maybe, I'm not sure. It should usually not give an error because it doesn't matter if I'm putting single inverted or double inverted comma. But let us check. Let's see. Okay, it's still there. There must be some issue. Maybe let's try to delete it and create maybe. Let me check the command again. Is there any issue? XFF, XD, XFF, E. Okay, got it. We missed the X here. Okay, so this usually happens when you're manually typing it. Just be sure to check, hit enter. Let's see the file has been created. Okay, so yeah, we got the string and we were successfully able to recover this flag, this image, and hence we got the flag. Okay, so just you can just manually type it out, or if you have seen the previous video how you can extract the text from the image, you can use the same tool and do it here. But what I'll be doing is that I'll be manually typing it, so give me a minute. I'll just type it out really quick. So okay, so I have just typed it out here, so you can also do it. Submit the flag. Let's see. Hooray, you solved this challenge. Thanks for watching.